Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Visage1 Studios. My name is Joanna Petit-Frere, makeup artist and photographer, and thank you for watching my makeup tutorial. All the products that I use in this video are listed below. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button below to get the latest notifications on my new makeup videos and beauty tips. Now let's get started. First, start with filling in my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen in medium brown. I start from the middle to the end arch, and I lightly fill in the beginning of my eyebrows with softer and lighter strokes to create a natural soft finish. I like this product because it has a super fine tip for detail that allows you to create micro strokes that mimic the appearance of a natural brow. It's waterproof, long-lasting, and has a buildable formula. Next, I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Pro Long Wear Paint laying low as an eyeshadow base. Using a concealer brush, apply the eyeshadow base under the brows and on the lids. An eyeshadow base creates a barrier between the skin and the product. It helps concentrate the eyeshadow's true colors and helps absorb excess oil on the lid that prevents the eyeshadow from fading or moving. Next, I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Studio Finish SPF 35 Concealer NW45. Using a concealer brush, I apply the product on the top of my lids and under my brows to conceal and neutralize the color of the eyeshadow base. I like this product because it's highly pigmented and corrects discoloration quickly and has a smooth finish. Next, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. Apply the color seal in the inner tear duct in a tapping motion. The tapping motion helps to concentrate the color and make it more pigmented. Next, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sculpt palette. Apply the color electric to the middle part of your lid in a tapping motion to help concentrate the color. Then apply the color Untamed in a tapping motion to the outer parts of your lid. Reapply the color Untamed using a detail eyeshadow brush starting from the middle of the lid in a back and forth swooping motion up to a wing. Next, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Using the color Orange Soda, apply it on top of the concealer, which I place under my eyebrows. It helps to mattify and to hold the color in place, which prevents it from moving or fading. Next, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. The color Seychelles on the middle part of your eyelid to the outer part of your eyelid above the color Tamed. Reapply the color Axis to the outer parts of the lid using a concentrated eyeshadow brush in a tapping upward wing motion. Next, apply the NYX Professional Glitter Primer on top of the eyeshadow on the middle and the end part of both of your eyelids. Next, apply the NYX Metallic Glitter Paillettes color Lumi Light to the middle and towards the inner tear duct of both of your eyelids. Next, I'll be using the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner Black is Black. Using a fine point angle brush, I start to apply it in the middle of my lid, then I go in an upward wing motion. Next, I start to apply it towards my inner tear duct as close as I can to my lash line, connecting it to the middle and the end part and continuing in the upward wing motion. Then I apply the gel liner to my inner bottom waterline. Next, you're going to apply the gel liner in a downward motion to a point in the inner tear duct. Then apply the gel liner under your bottom lashes, connecting it to the wing point. And then replicate the same cat eyeliner wing effect on the opposite side. This creates a more dramatic cat eyeliner effect. Reapply the color Axis using a concentrated eyeshadow brush in a back and forth swooping motion on top of the wing liner, creating a smudge wing eyeliner dramatic effect. Next, I'll be using the COVERGIRL Exhibitionist Stretch and Strengthen Mascara. This mascara is designed to lengthen and strengthen your lashes. Apply 2 to 3 coats on your top and bottom lashes. The next step, I will be applying a corrector. Since I have dark under eyes and a yellow undertone, I apply the MAC Cosmetics Studio Finish SPF 35 Concealer NW40 under my eyes using a concealer brush. I use this concealer as a corrector because it has a yellow base and it is highly pigmented and is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone to brighten and correct discoloration under my eyes. Next, I will be applying the MAC Cosmetics Studio Finish SPF 35 Concealer NW45. Using a concealer brush, I apply this product on top of the NW40 to conceal, neutralize, and warm the color. Next, I'll be using the Bobbi Brown Cosmetic Primer Plus Mattifier. I apply this formula on my cheeks, my forehead, down the center and the sides of my nose, and on my chin, and you can add some extra primer in some areas where you tend to be a little more oily. This primer absorbs oil and reduces the appearance of pores with a special powder technology. It refreshes and smooths the skin with a cool, breathable finish. Next, I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Studio Finish SPF 35 Concealer NW45. Using the concealer brush, I apply this product on the top part of my eyebrows to define the shape of the arch of my brow. Then I apply the concealer around my natural lip line and to the lower part of my chin to brighten and even out the complexion on the lower part of my face. Next, I'll be applying the Bobbi Brown Skin Long Weightless Foundation SPF 15 and 80 in Natural Almond. I apply the foundation in a tapping motion for full coverage on both sides of my cheeks, on both sides of my nose, above my lips, along the bridge of my nose, to my forehead, on both sides of my hairline, along the sides of my face, to my chin for a full natural coverage foundation look. Next, I will be using the Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Press Powder to set the foundation and control the shine. Using the edge of a square makeup sponge, I apply the color Soft Honey directly under my eyeliner in a tapping, press down motion. I apply it under both of my eyes to set and brighten the under eye area and prevent the concealer from fading or moving. Then I apply it down the center of my nose and the middle of my forehead for highlight, contour, and to brighten the center of my face. Next, I'll be applying a warmer shade, Golden Brown. I apply it on both sides of my nose, on my cheeks, above my lips, on my forehead, along my hairline, on my chin, and along the lower part of my jawline. This technique prevents the foundation from fading or moving, and it creates a smooth finish. Next, I'm going to add warmth to my skin and contour by using the Black Radiance True Complexion palette, medium to dark. Using a soft eyeshadow brush, I apply the warm brown tone Sculpt in the crease of my lids. This technique helps to create a shadow in the crease of the lid that deepens the eye set and makes the eye look more dramatic. Using the same color, I apply the warm brown tone on both sides of my nose, under my lower lashes, to smudge and soften the black liner. Going back using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, apply the color Noir. Using a detail eyeshadow brush, apply the Noir color under the bottom liner in a tapping motion to smudge and intensify the bottom eyeliner look. Then I go back in with the deeper tone contour and I apply it under my cheekbones, along the lower part of my jawline, along my hairline to deepen and define the contour. Next, I'll be using the NYX Cosmetic Blush Palette Basic Instincts in Cheek Squad 2 in the color Savage. Apply the color on both sides of your upper cheekbones, a little bit on your nose, a little bit on your forehead. This effect creates a healthy glow and helps to put the natural warmth back on your skin. Next, I will be applying the highlight color. I apply it down the center of my nose, on my upper cheekbones, and on the center of my upper lip. Highlighting creates the illusion of light to accentuate and to define certain features. So I'll be using the Brow Fast Sculpt Gel Brow Mascara from Maybelline. Using a mascara wand, I start to apply it in the front part of my brow in short upward strokes along my natural eyebrow shape to the middle and tail end of my brow, creating a groomed and clean finished look. So I'll be using the Kiss Lash Couture Matte Black Lashes. To apply the lashes, I'll be using the Kiss Strip Eyelash Adhesive in Clear. Apply a medium coat to the eyelash strip and place them as close as you can to your lash line. Then squeeze them gently as they dry as close as you can to your lash line to create a nice, even, natural blend. Next, apply the Maybelline Lasting Drama Black Gel Liner on top of the eyelash track to blend it, and also apply it along the original wing liner we created in the earlier steps to darken and make the liner more dramatic. Going back using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette, apply the color Noir using a concentrated eyeshadow brush in a back and forth swooping motion on top of the wing liner, creating a smudge wing eyeliner dramatic effect. Apply the color Axis using a soft feathered eyeshadow brush to the tail end of your wing liner in a swooping back and forth motion, creating a soft smoky blue cat eye effect. Next, push out the outer corners of the lashes. This creates a glamorous flare that complements the cat eyeliner look. Next, I'll be applying the MAC Lip Liner Chestnut. Apply it on the upper and lower outer part of your lip. Next, I'll be applying my makeup line Visage One Studios Luxurious Longwear Matte Lip Stains in the color Blind Date. My Visage One Studios Longwear lip stains are creamy lip colors with a modern matte finish. The nourishing ingredients help keep your lips supple and smooth. It's hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and comes in over 7 colors. The final look. You can purchase Visage One Studios cosmetics by visiting visageonestudios.com. I also teach one-on-one and group makeup classes. If you want to learn more about my makeup courses, click on the link that says makeup classes below. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, share this video, and follow my Instagram page and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Visage One Studios.